Are you looking for a reliable and high-quality bearing solution for your machinery? Look no further than tapered roller bearings. With their superior design, tapered roller bearings offer high load capacity, durability, and long-lasting performance. Tapered roller bearing components are carefully crafted with precision. With our expert bearing introduction, you can be confident in the strength and dependability of your bearing system. So why wait? Trust in the power of tapered roller bearings.